Hello guys, welcome to another video. My name is Tadungi. I am a YouTuber from the northern part of Nigeria, Kaduna to be precise. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I made this and this bracelet from scratch. It comes like this. This is the 1.0 meter elastic band. Look at it. And then our scissors. Any scissors really can get the job done. So the next thing is our stones. This is different from the beads that you have, that you see around actually, because it's stone carved from rock. So this sizes are 8 millimeters. This is the Onyx beads, and this is the lava beads. I'll be using both of them for these bracelets. Usually comes in a strip like this, and then I cut it out into this. This is like 2 strips, and this is 1. Next, we have accessories. There are different accessories that you can use to design your bracelets. And this is like separators, color black. This customer specifically told me that he wants an all black bracelet, so that's what we're gonna give him. And these are the other accessories for this. And then letters. Also, he wants his name on it, so I use plastic letters for my bracelets. They look just like this. So last but not the least is our packaging. So I always give you these plastic cases where you can keep your bracelets. Basically, it helps to keep it safe and protected from dust or any other thing that might pour on it, like maybe perfumes or soap, detergents, sort of. So, like I said, we're making 2 bracelets, so we need 2 of those and 2 velvet bags. In case you're traveling and you don't want to carry this heavy one, you can just put your bracelet here. Or you can just keep it here and just, leave it at home also. That works. Anyway, so let's get into this shoot proper. So I'll be making 3 bracelets for this order, and it's a small wrist. I usually ask my customers what the size of your wrist is. If you have a big hand, you're going to have a big wrist. So this person has a small wrist. So I don't have a tape to tell you the exact measurement I use for a small wrist, but I'm just going to cut. I already have cut 3 loops out. So let's just, I'm going to start with the one that has the names on it. This is how I select it, and pick out the letters. I always like to arrange the letters, the name, before I start so that I don't confuse myself. I enjoy making bracelets for people, especially the ones that are customized, because I feel like it has some sort of identity attached to it. So please go to my Instagram and place an order for your bracelet. If you are that jewels, we will deliver. If you're within Nigeria, it takes us a little over 24 hours to deliver to you. Or if you're in Kaduna State, you get it in less than 24 hours of your order. Trust us today to supply your bracelets, your jewelry, and yes, we weigh bill. We also give gift packages to people. So if in case you have a gift you want to give someone, you can just tell us we'll put like a gift pack and have like a cute write-up attached to it for the person. Okay, so I'm just going to put this line through every letter. Okay, so how I started with making, should I do like a separate video on that, or I think I should do a separate video on that, but no, let me just give you like a hint though. I learned from my mom, and she used to make jewelries, so I learned from my mom and I was doing it for fun. Then I realized that I could make a business out of this. So it's perfectly. One bracelet done. This is the first order. First bracelet we're making today, the second one. Now for the second set of bracelets. Okay guys, this is the final bracelet. This is what it looks like. This is for a big wrist and I love it. I love it so much. So that's about it, and I hope you enjoyed this short tutorial session, and please do well to put your orders through to Fiada Jewels on Instagram. The handle is somewhere around here. So yeah, see you next time on another video. Bye.